Polycam is redefining how floor plans are created using AI. For decades, floor plans used to be all notebooks, manual measurements, and hours of work back at your desk. Introducing Polycam's new floor plan editor. Scan any space with your phone or tablet, and our AI instantly generates your floor plan. Then the editor gives you control. It's AI you can actually edit. Add doors, windows, openings, even furniture. Design new layouts on top of what's already there. Your edits automatically sync between 2D and 3D, so your floor plans and spatial reports stay aligned. Which means you can capture everything you need for client-ready floor plans, estimates, documentation, and quotes, all in a single visit. Then collaborate with colleagues remotely or back at the office to finalize the design. Your client wants to see what that new kitchen layout would look like? Sketch it out together and share it in 3D. No second site visit required. Floor Plan Editor, the next generation of spatial AI. Available now on Polycam Business and Enterprise.